Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm not just saying this, I have literally been requested to do this video so much. Besides my everyday makeup routine, which is already up, this is probably my second most requested video like ever, and that is my natural curly hair routine. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite products that I'm using at the moment, my wash routine, my styling technique. On top of that, I'm also going to be showing you guys how I maintain my curls overnight and how I refresh them the next day. So if you're a curly girl or a guy, this is a good video for you if you're trying to look for some tips on any of those things. Good morning. So I just woke up a little while ago, so I look very rough right now, but today is wash day. This is what my hair looks like after being pretty much slicked in a bun for the whole week. I was kind of lazy this week with my hair. It just gets very like straight and puffy pretty much. Still kind of curly in a way, but obviously not the same as being freshly washed. So before I actually get started with washing my hair, I do like to do a hair treatment. I try to do one at least once a week. I usually use the OLAPLEX No. 3 hair treatment. It's like the little bottle. I'll put a picture of it here somewhere. But unfortunately, I ran out of that a while ago and I haven't gotten around to getting a new bottle because it's so expensive. But I'm going to show you guys my second favorite mask that I like to use, which is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I'm actually trying to grow out my hair long, so I'm trying to use like a lot of products that promote hair growth, and this is one of them since it has rosemary. It says right here, infused with biotin and encourages growth. I usually get this from Target, and then I also like to oil my scalp with the Mielle. It's literally the same product but in an oil form. You can get this from Target as well. And so I'm literally just gonna put these products in my hair. I'm going to take my spray bottle with just some water. This is from Amazon, by the way, just to like dampen my hair a little bit so it's not totally dry. Alright, after I wet my hair just a little bit, I'm gonna take my Tangle Teaser brush. I got this from Ulta, and I'm gonna detangle my hair from the ends up just so it's smoother and the mask can go on like more evenly, if that makes sense. So far I've been doing pretty good with growing my hair out long. This is where it's at right now. I don't really have a specific goal yet, I just want it to be longer. Okay, so now that my hair is all detangled, we're gonna go ahead and put in the mask. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the oil now, just to my scalp. I'm just gonna take a comb and kind of create some sort of a middle part. So first I like to put it along that area of my scalp. You have to be really careful to not get this like on the skin of like your face. Maybe it's just me, but one time I let like a little bit like drizzle down my face, and it literally like my skin on my face had like an allergic reaction to it. It was fine on my scalp, but for some reason it like burns like the skin on my face. So I don't know if that's for everyone or if that's just me, but I would definitely be careful when using these kind of products that have like really strong ingredients. But I'm literally just going to squeeze it all along my scalp, and then I just go ahead and kind of massage it in so it kind of soaks in a little bit better. Alright, and then once my scalp is all oiled up, I just like to give myself a little scalp massage. Clip my hair up with a little claw clip. My broken claw clip, I'm just gonna use it anyways. Okay, so I'm literally just going to let these products sit for about 45 minutes to an hour is usually how long I like to keep my hair treatments in, and I will be back when it is time to wash. So we are officially in voiceover mode, so I can kind of talk you guys through how I wash my hair, even though it's pretty self-explanatory, but I just thought I'd do it anyways. I'm gonna start off by just simply rinsing most of the hair mask out of my hair, and when I first rinse my hair and like wash it with shampoo, I like to use warm water. And so I'm going to be washing my hair with the OLAPLEX No. 4 Bomb Maintenance Shampoo. You guys, OLAPLEX is literally, I kid you not, the best thing I could have ever used for my hair. I started using it at the beginning of this year when my hair was a little heat damaged because I had straightened it a lot during December, and it literally saved my hair. And so I usually do about 2 to 3 rinses of shampoo. Today I did 3 since I had a hair mask in. But I then went in with the No. 5 Bomb Maintenance Conditioner. And here I'm just clipping up my hair because I actually like to let my conditioner sit in my hair for a few minutes, usually just while I finish the rest of my shower routine, just so it can really moisturize my hair. Now I'm just going to take down my hair so I can detangle it with a comb, and so I usually just part it by splitting it down the middle, and then I split each half into 2 smaller halves, and I just detangle my hair from the ends up because that is the least painful way. But I just repeat this for every single section. Lastly, I'm just going to rinse my hair, and I like to usually rinse with colder water. Okay, so I'm fresh out of the shower. As we can see, I just did my skincare, so don't mind my little patches. I feel like I'm breaking out a lot right now. I don't even know why. I think it's probably the change in temperature because we were kind of in a heat wave for a while, but the temperature finally like dropped a little bit, so I think it was my skin reacting to the weather. Anyways, we're gonna get started with styling my hair using only one product. For my curly girls, I'm seriously about to put you guys on. This is like literally become my holy grail product in my routine. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. I got this on Amazon, and oh my god. It has no sulfates, mineral oil, or silicones, which is always good. So I'm just gonna take this, and you guys are gonna see it is literally like super thick and like gooey. Like, I don't know, but it doesn't weigh my hair down, which is amazing because I've tried thicker products before to keep my hair hydrated, but they weigh my hair down. This one actually does an amazing job of keeping my hair super hydrated but not weighing it down. So I'm gonna take it, literally look how gooey it is. So now that the product is all in my hair, I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser brush again. I'm just going to quickly, not detangle my hair because I did detangle it already technically, just smooth it out before I style it so it makes it easier and the curls come out nicer. Okay, so now that my hair is all smoothed out, I'm going to show you guys how I style my curls. So basically I just finger coil them, and I do like every single curl. It is very time consuming. It is quite the upper body workout, but it is the like #1 styling technique that has really brought out the best in my curls. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all I do first is I need to section my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, just so it makes it easier. I'm just going to take the top half of my hair and clip it. And then I'm just going to split the bottom half in half. Brush it out again to make it smooth and separate the curls. So the way I know how to like section each curl is like naturally, like once I put the product in my hair, you see how like my hair naturally like just separates. That's why I go in with this brush a lot, to like separate it. Okay, so here is how I finger coil my curls. So I'm gonna go in with the brush to make sure they separate. I'm going to take one little section. Sometimes I like to go in with like a tiny comb to like really just smooth out that one curl before I finger coil it. So I'm just going to roll it up between my fingers like that. And then I like hold it for a second, scrunch it, and then release. So I'm gonna show you guys again with the next section. Smooth it out, finger coil it, hold it for a couple of seconds, scrunch, and release. And look at that. It's so satisfying to do. And so I'm literally just going to repeat this for every single section of hair. I just finished this bottom section, and so usually once I finish curling an entire section, I just like to scrunch it all up so the curls can just really start to take form. Okay, so the bottom half of my hair is all done. And so now I'm just going to get started on the top half of my hair. Okay, so I feel like you guys get the gist of how I style my hair, so I kind of just jump straight to the point for this section, and I'm just on the very last few little pieces of hair, my bangs basically. You guys tell I'm like literally dying. Like, I'm telling you, this is a whole upper body workout. Like, no point in showering because I'm literally sweating again. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I've completely finger coiled every single curl. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it dry completely. I'm not going to lay on it. I am not going to touch my hair at all. I'm just going to let it dry like this, completely flat, because then after it completely dries, that's when I'll go in and like I'll shake up my roots, separate the curls, and basically add more volume. But for now, I'm just going to go about my day. It usually takes a couple of hours to completely dry. Probably gonna go do my makeup or something because I have a couple of content videos that I have to create for a few brand collabs. So I'm gonna go do my makeup, go about my day, and then when my hair is totally dry, I'm gonna come back and finish styling it. Okay, so I'm in my room now because my mom had to clean the bathroom, but please excuse that mess of dorm stuff back there. There's a sneak peek. The haul is coming soon. I just moved to my room because all I have to do is just finish styling my hair anyways, and I only need one thing, which is my hair oil slash serum. It's actually been about an hour instead of 2. Usually my hair takes a couple of hours to completely dry, but it actually dried pretty quick today. So as you can see, it is very defined and the curls are very, like, you know, stuck together. So I'm just going to be taking this, I don't even know what this is. I get this from the Dominican salon, like my local salon. So I don't know if you can get it online. I'm gonna try to find it for you guys, but it is the Goles Choco Hair Cosmetics Intensive Therapy Cocoa Butter and Argan Oil. So what I'm gonna do is basically just take a couple of pumps of this, and I'm just going to shake up my hair, separate the curls. The reason for putting like some sort of oil or serum on my hands before I separate the curls is to prevent frizz. I'm literally just going to flip my head over. I want to make sure you guys can see this, and I'm just going to shake it all up because I like a lot of volume. There we go. There's already a big difference. And then actually most of the curls kind of separated on their own because my hair dried really soft today, but sometimes I will kind of go in and take like the really big curls like these and like separate it. She's cute though. She's very cute. Okay, go to the back. I pretty much got most of the volume and just the overall shape going. So this is what my freshly washed day 1 hair looks like. I actually don't like my day 1 hair that much compared to my day 2 hair because usually after I've slept on it, it has a lot more volume and not like it becomes more frizzy. It's just bigger and I like it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like puffy, I guess, but also like not puffy. Like, I don't know, it just has more volume on the second day, so I like second day hair better. But this is what my day 1 hair looks like. Obviously, because it's super fresh and dense because I just styled it with the products, it's obviously a lot more, like, you know, a little bit more weighed down, a lot more defined. I'm gonna show you guys later tonight how I maintain my curls overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to show you guys basically how I kind of refresh my curls and what my day 2 hair looks like. Hi guys, so please excuse the way I look, but I'm literally in the middle of editing this video when I realized that the clip of me literally showing you guys how I maintain my curls overnight, like what I do to my hair for it, it literally got deleted. Like, I don't know how. I don't know if I accidentally deleted. Honestly, I just don't know what happened. It just got deleted. So, but I just wanted to hop on here and tell y'all because it's actually really simple. All that I do is I take a scrunchie, like a silk one, and I just put my hair in a very loose ponytail, like really high on top of my head, and I sleep on a silk pillowcase. Good morning once again. My face is really shiny because I just did my morning skincare. I'm also breaking out really bad because this heat. No, this is why I don't like August. Anyways, as promised, I'm gonna show you guys how I basically refresh my curls the next day. So what it looks like right out of the ponytail. So you can see the curls are still very much intact. It's just kind of like the roots that need to be fixed up a bit. And then also, you know, some curls do kind of mess up overnight, like they become a little bit more straight. So I'm also gonna fix that. So I'm gonna start by like actually just shaking it out and loosening it a little bit. Okay, and so what I do is I'm gonna take my spray bottle and a little bit of the same conditioner that I used to style my hair yesterday. And so what I do is I actually spray the water in my hands, and then I add the tiniest bit of conditioner, literally the tiniest bit. I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to be just like really watery, because I don't even know why I do it like this, but I just go in to my roots. I kind of like massage my scalp in a way, but I keep it like at a very watery consistency because, like I said, it's just to refresh my curls. So I don't want to just put the conditioner straight in there because it's a really thick product and my hair is dry already. So this is just to kind of help freshen up the roots a little bit. And I just keep doing this until I feel like it looks a lot more like fresh and not puffy. You guys can already tell, like, the volume is so much more than yesterday. This is exactly why I like my day 2 hair so much better. All right, and then at this point, I basically just start looking for any curls that might have like gotten straightened out a little bit last night. So I feel like, yeah, like you see these, like they're kind of like messed up. So I am going to take my spray bottle and I'm basically just gonna like recoil them. So I'm going to wet them a little bit with the spray bottle. Then I'm gonna go with my little comb to detangle it, make it all nice and smooth again, because it was kind of looking rough. And then I basically just coil it again with my fingers. And I just do this for any like curls that I feel like, you know, just got messed up and they need to be retouched. It's usually only like a couple that mess up. And then last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit more of the same like hair oil serum that I used yesterday, just a tiny bit because I already have some of it in my hair from yesterday, but just to kind of bring down the frizz a little bit from sleeping on it. And basically just doing the same thing as yesterday, just kind of shaking it around, playing with it. And this is basically the final product. This is my day 2 hair. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite day because of the volume. I just did some light makeup because I have to go out soon. I still have to change, but y'all, my hair's already getting mad frizzy because of this heat. Whatever, it is what it is. Again, this is why I don't like August. Guys, I just wanted to say that I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, or if you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. All of my curly girls and my guys, I want to see y'all in the comments, so make sure you comment. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe, because from this point on, y'all, it is going to be a lot of fun college content rolling in. I am so excited for you guys to see, because I'm actually transferring to a new school for my 2nd year and I'm moving in this time. So it is just going to be a whole lot of new college content that I never really got to make my 1st year because I decided to live at home, and so it just wasn't the same. But make sure y'all stay tuned for that so that you guys don't miss a new video. Turn on my post notifications. Also follow me on all of my socials. They will be linked down below. And I forgot to mention, but all the products that I use in this video will also be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.